We will guide you through how to clear your cache, temporary files, and overall junk files from your Windows computer. First, go to the bottom of your screen and click the search button, then type in run. Now type in temp like so and click OK. This will load up a bunch of temporary files. Click on one of them, then press Ctrl plus A to select them all. And we can go ahead and delete them. You can press delete on your keyboard or right click and select the delete icon instead. You may need to grant administrator privileges for some of them like so. If you get a pop-up saying it can't be completed, just press skip, it's fine. Next, once that's clear, open up run again, come to the bottom, click search and type in run or simply press Windows key plus R. This time type %temp% like so and press OK. Here we are with more temporary files. Once again, click one of them, select them all with Ctrl plus A and delete them. I will right click and press delete and they all be removed. Again, if any file can be completed, just press skip and that's fine. I had to skip quite a few, but it's not a problem. We can then close this window. Now let's open run again. Press Windows key plus R. This time type in Prefetch like so. Click OK. If it says you don't have permission, click continue. Then select one of the files and press Ctrl plus A to select them all. Right click and press delete. I will need to skip a few here too, but that's fine. Now that those are deleted, open your recycle bin and empty it like so. And just like that, it's been emptied. At the final step, press Windows key plus R again or open run and type in Cleanmgr. Click OK and then choose the drive you want to clean up. Do this for the drive Windows is installed on. You will be recognize it by the small Windows icon next to it. Press OK. The cleanup process will start. You can select what you want to delete, which I will do now. Click OK. Then confirm that you want to permanently delete this file, which I do, and it will go ahead and complete the process. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Bye bye.